Hello, 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 my friends. So it is Denise from Loving Life at 60ish, and my Etsy shop is fairyrosecottage.etsy.com. Yesterday, so this is Friday, and yesterday I put a post out that the May monthly kits were now available. Finally. Um, and this probably is one of my most favorite kits ever. I know I say that a lot, but when I say it, I really mean it. And even looking back at the kits that I did in 2024, this is still one of my most favorites. Now, I have not I have not laminated and cut these, but I did want to get on here and just show you firsthand what they look like. I will say I'm gonna try to cover this one because it is, we'll cover it with a paper towel. It is a scratch off, and I know a lot of you don't like to know what the numbers are, and not that you'd remember, but still. So these are the main kit challenges, and as always, they are 5x7. They will be laminated and cut and ready to ship out. We have this game. It's called Finish the Book, so we get to the finish line there. And we have a scratch off with this beautiful older woman. Maybe older woman, maybe not. I mean, we all know that it's a real thing to have gray and silver hair even when you're young these days. But it's a scratch off, so I'm not going to show you the rest of that. We have, I'm saying a lot today. Just one more chapter, the regular savings challenge that I like to do each month with 31 of something. So you decide how much each book is worth and go ahead and save. It has a lot of little book sayings and motivating sayings. A book is a dream you hold in your hands, things like that. This is called the Library Checkout Challenge. And you're just going to save the amounts that are in the book and then color in or cross off the book. The most is, I think $8. Yeah. So the most that you would save in this is $8 for a book. Some of them, well, that's a 5. The numbers are an odd 3, 3, 3. Odd font, I think, but it's still readable. She's in the library, and she has a kitty that wears glasses too. So there's that one. When I originally made these, I made them very dark. The background's much darker, and I had to go back and redo the backgrounds a bit. Because they were printing dark. It was hard to see. And I thought, well, we don't want dark in the spring, right? And then the last 2 challenges, so there's 6 of them, as always, is a midnight bookshop savings challenge and a sorry, I'm fully booked. This is the one where you roll the 2 different dice, right? And I got a 2 and a 2. And so I would fill in this white square, and up here I would have decided how much each icon is worth. And they are saying, sorry, I am fully booked tonight. And then this one is the midnight bookshop. You're going to roll a dice or pull a card or just pick a number if you want. And I rolled a 3, so I could either save $3 or $7. And you can decide, do you want to cross those out? Or do you just want to keep playing until you're done with the whole monthly kit thing and not necessarily cross them out as you go? It's completely up to you. So that is the main kit. Again, I apologize that they're not cut out and laminated and all that good stuff, but they will be soon. And then I do add-ons, as you know. So I have mini add-ons, which I absolutely love. So this one is Save What You Want. This one is $5 cups and it's $125. And this one is a Save As You Want because I listened to you guys and you said you really like the Save What You Want ones. And if you you like them blank, and then you could go ahead and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, if you wanted to in them. So that is add-on number 1. Add-on number 2 is is scratch offs, and I have done the same. I have done it different this time. They will be 5x7 scratch offs, so the same size as the main kit, rather than the smaller 3.5x5. I just wanted to give a little bit more added value, and it's kind of nice to have the big ones. Look away quick, but you will see the numbers a little bit. We have a Cafe Paris one and then a book club one. And one is Save 65 and the other is Save 30. So sort of both, you know, a higher budget and a lower budget one. And then add-on number 3 is, of course, the new add-on of the year, and it is a box kit. So I have 3 box savings challenges, and then I have I keep saying 3 box games. This is a roll and save. This is a bingo, and this is a read more, worry less book challenge, where you just basically decide, it's like a mini, right? So you can roll the dice, or you can just cross out however you want to do it. And then the playing cards, of course, come with it, and they are all cut for you and laminated, ready to go. Just one more chapter. I say that a lot. I said it this morning, actually. And then lastly, I have freebies, of course. The first freebie is the dashboard, and it is the most adorable thing, and I don't have it in here for some reason. But you will see it. It is up in my Etsy shop. You will see the dashboard. Everyone gets that free with just buying the main kit. And then if you buy the main kit, you also get, I can't remember which one of these free. And then if you buy everything, you get the other one. I can't remember one is exclusive to just if you buy the entire kit. They are the 3.5x5. This one is You Had Me at Let's Go to the Bookstore, and you roll and save in each space below. And then this one, by the way, the books in this one, the books are different in each. Well, not always different, but this one is The Hate You Give, Night Circus, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, The Fault in Our Stars, and Percy Jackson. And this one is Beach Reads, It Ends With Us, and The 7 Husbands of, is it Evelyn Hugo? I can't remember. I think so. This one is a roll and save, or you can decide how much each book is worth to save. Bookish Adventures. I wanted to read you some of the titles. The titles on these ones are Reading is My Therapy, Happily Ever After, Books Over People, and Just One More Chapter. And then the pile of books, this is Once Upon a Time, 1,000 New Adventures, Fairy Tales, Romance That Lives, Love Stories, Music and Mayhem, Magic and Mayhem, Stories That Stay With Us. This one has children's books. The Hobbit, A Little Princess, Charlotte's Web, Romeo and Juliet, Moby Dick, To Kill a Mockingbird, The Great Gatsby. Well, these are not children's. These ones are. Sense and Sensibility, Jane Eyre, Emma, Little Woman, Pride and Prejudice. These were very tiny fonts, by the way. Anne of Green Gables to fit onto these books. Wuthering Heights and The Secret Garden. Reading is Dreaming with Your Eyes Open. So I just tried to put as much as I possibly could into these of what we love about books. You know, I mean, I am a book person. There is no doubt about it. This one has Jane Austen, Little Women, The Secret Garden, Harry Potter, A Court of Thrones and Roses. I never read those. The Hobbit, The Chronicles of Narnia, The Book Thief. And this is Just One More Chapter. Pride and Prejudice, The Secret Garden, Little Women, and Anne of Green Gables. So I think that there's just a really good mix of a lot of different savings challenges and games. It took me a long time. Like I said, I had to redo all of the Maine kit because it was just like, this was really dark. It was just hard to see. So here it is. I am going to get this laminated and cut out, and you'll probably see a short of the entire kit coming up in the next, maybe not till tomorrow, but it is up in the shop. It has been since yesterday. I think there have been several of you who have purchased it already, and I thank you for that. And that is it, guys. I will be back later with a savings challenge video. Got to save some money, and we will see you real soon. Happy savings. Bye.